Tennessee almost has 8,900 positive cases of coronavirus.
Thanks for joining us on air and streaming on the News 4 app as well. Let's look at the data. This is new from the Tennessee Health Department. Today we're at just under 8,900 cases. 168 people have died. Initially that number was 170, but the department says the number was an error, so they've recorrected here at this point. Now more people are recovering each day, and that's at over 4,300. Over 800 people remain hospitalized. And Governor Lee wants to reopen business starting next week. News 4's Shelby Stevens joins us live at the Capitol tonight. Shelby, tell us about the governor's new plan here.
Well, it's going to start with restaurants and retail stores. Governor Lee says restaurants can start opening their dining rooms with 50% capacity starting Monday, and then on Wednesday, retail stores can do the same.
Without the burden.
The plan is called Tennessee Pledge. This is for 89 counties. He's also working closely with Davidson, Shelby, Knox, Madison, Hamilton, and Sullivan counties to create unique reopen plans. The governor says on average, the daily increase in case numbers hasn't changed much for the last 2 weeks. This is why he believes this new plan is what's best for the state. Remember, this is a pledge, not a mandate. Listen to Lee's response when asked how it'll be enforced.
We think that the consumers will enforce them, the business community itself will enforce them, the industry groups that have influence and impact and develop guidelines for industries. That's how this is going to be enforced. Really, what we know is that in the same way that Tennesseans came together to put us in the position to be able to begin to reboot our economy, we know Tennesseans once again will put us in the position to have our economy start back up.
Now, Governor Lee also talked about salons, spas, tattoo parlors, anything that social distancing can't really be maintained. He says that those businesses, he's not ready to open them up quite back yet. Now, at 6 o'clock, you're going to hear from a restaurant owner about what he thinks about this new plan and how it'll affect him. Back to you guys in the